We're back! Who the hell is doing all that talking, brother? Nah, be quiet, man. We're back, people. It's a cold, rainy season. Link is in the description. Appreciate your support. Yes, man. You ever do something and in the middle of doing that said thing, you totally forget say other thing that you did do? No? Here's an example. When you see the almost slap. I know what the almost slap they mean. The boss talk to him before. The boss say, look, I go up on the ladder. Zine. All I need if you do is just hold the ladder and focus. That's all I need if you do. Don't make me drop off. You never hear a good thing the boss kind of save himself halfway. So I comes in and get the full box.
Where the bum buck there?
Father God, what kind of stress the dog there under? You almost get a full box, you know. One a day. You know them one day? Fast dog. Faster reflexes. General, you can't go change your pants now because I know you shit. So, I want shit too. That though. Me not think I want this either though.
God have mercy upon us.
Imagine you get a message in a church WhatsApp group say church get cancelled because Pastor Bible with the sermon points them in it.
Upon us.
Dog take you away.
Upon us.
They say all dogs go to heaven and you look like that one here. I try to reach up there with the Bible in our hand, our paw. Get like extra points for that, you know? Speaking of extras. No extra muscles were gained. However, extra bruises, extra scrapes, extra swelling, extra pain medication, of course.
You fuck are you?
And paying attention is very important. Cause if you not pay attention, them things are gonna end up happening to you. You will drink where you feel puff, and you will go puff where you feel drink. Another reason why cigarettes are crosses.
You fuck are you?
And when cross is ready to take you, there is nothing you can do. My boss, just go stamp your time ticket and go on home here. Coming back to work will be at the discretion of your manager. And if you are the manager, then do the right thing. Blame it on the employee. Say them pass you they can with oil on them hand and they make the thing greasy. Speaking of employees, well, in his case, potential employees, because based on this audition tape, he not go get the job. At the foreign veggie chunks, you know, enough real supplements not in it. A spirulina him a drink, not spirulina. How more time I have to wonder if the same species will use them brain for build a rocket for gas space. Are the same such a species, right? I use them brain for do them thing, yeah. All I can say is if you don't know how to make up fire out a door, raw rice, raw meat. No cooking now go on. Oh boy. You see when I talk about that species, brother? The man side of it and the woman side of it, like, they just, oh God.
Where the bum buck there?
What, somebody mash up for your stove too? Your stove not work? Me not like that species of style. Your teeth hate you, your stomach hate you, and your exit hole hate you.
Raw born idiot.
What happened to you? What lick in your head make you do this? This. No man. This. Look bunny again. This is why you see all those safety warning signs before you enter a construction site.
You know the thing lick up a chip me.
And no matter how big and bold and bright it is in front of their face, you have some people who still ignore it.
That no hot.
You might need a sign on your head, brain temporarily out of service. Them they are no regular conk. A concussion conk them there. Let me tell you something. You see, from here the chicken hawk sound, and if you're Jamaican, then you know what we call chicken hawk, the terrorists of the sky. From here chicken hawk sound, I knew that nothing good was going to happen.
Let me take all this off our face. You know, natural blade.
You see, the era people there, that's some different set of people, because who in their right mind, brother, I go and know chicken hawk nest. Them bird there, them take pure crack. The purest form of crack, them bird they take it. And from experience, they know no sense, and they will run you down for anything, especially when them have a nest nearby with them little bird them in night. Them fully mad. And another thing, you see, when you go up, you know, anything you do in your life, when you go up, always make sure you say your base sturdy. One little stone conk and a boss completely forget that he was the pillar of strength for the entire gang. Not even the crosses chicken hawk picnic them no get a safe descent. He boss dash them way. And on that note, that is it, people. Yeah man, big up on yourself, team too crazy. I own I'm a pillar of strength, you know? Yeah man, I'll never let me down yet. With that said, hit the like button, hit the share button, definitely subscribe. This is K2K. You think it, you believe it. And the link is in the description for you to achieve it. Why does it mean like auto press again? How the blood stain this?